Hi, welcome back you guys. For today's video we're going to be making some beef crunch wraps. Here are some of the basic ingredients. I have here our lean ground beef, some melted cheese, tostada shells, tortillas, some taco seasoning, diced tomatoes, chopped onions, some shredded lettuce, sour cream, and our shredded cheese. Stay tuned. Alright guys, you want to start off by cooking some onions. I added a little garlic in there as well and a tad bit of olive oil. Just cook the onions and the garlic in, and then next we're going to add in our meat. And you guys, I almost forgot to mention, with the taco seasoning mix you will need to add in a little water. I have here 3/4 cup as it says on the packet. You will need to add that to your hamburger meat. Next, you want to take your tortilla and then put the tostada shell in the middle of it, and then we're going to take a knife and we're going to go around the perimeter of the tortilla and cut a circle. I'll show you. Guys, and then you want to spread the cheese like so. on. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. I took it out of the pan and now I'm going to cut it in half. Alright you guys, this is what it looks like out of the pan. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half.